¿Qué onda, güey?
Camera shy. My name is Jeff. I think that's pretty good.
I like the sound.
Everybody likes that. I hate that sound. There's some Aztec warrior hair, some good. See if it's gonna go through.
That's pretty loud. I don't know if it's just his hair or...
It's my hair, dude. I got that horse hair.
You get a 3 on top, right?
Yes, sir.
So what's a 3 on here? Where do I have to put it? I'm guessing a 1?
1 plus 2 is 3.
We're gonna find out.
This is technically a 3, and then I'll run a 3 over it with my wall, see what happens.
Oh shit, that looks like a 1.
I don't know. I'm more worried about how long the blade stays sharp, but we'll see.
How's it cutting right now?
Good?
Focus.
It's a tiny bit shorter.
What, the WezTeck?
Yeah. Close enough. So far, so good.
What the f you doing that for, man? Hey, what's your problem, man? You f***ing stupid or what?
I mean, I think I can see how it could help you with speed once you get used to it. That's pretty good. It just feels super long, dude. That's what she said.
Michael.
So she said.
You get double fist.
Can you twist your hands a little? There you go.
Gay! You're gonna get demonetized before you even get him. Your wife's over there. He's acting gay again.
Who's gonna mess it?
And then this is all the way open.
It's gonna be your main clipper now, Jerry, or what?
I think it is. I'm leaving the corded clippers.
How's the power on it?
Good. They're getting warm though.
Does it feel warm on your head?
No. I mean, the only other thing I could see someone talking bad about this is just a lever that it's so long, you know? Maybe in the future if they want to try to make them a little bit like a mini version, like the Babyliss Pro ones, you know how they come out like smaller now? I was afraid I was going to go into the Porsche, but it's not. Not bad, not bad. And the one thing I could see about this sanitation-wise is like you spraying this is like you cleaning your half, your 1, your 1.5, and your 2 all in one. So that's good. And then again, cleaning cleaning the guard would be like cleaning your 2, your 3, and your 4 in just one. Not bad.
Damn, Jerry's impressed.
Not bad, not bad, not bad.
I've never heard that tone in his voice.
I know, I'm always talking shit. I just gotta see how long it lasts, the clipper. Okay. Oh no, yeah, dude, this for sure, you guys. 100%. They got it down with this one. Now, the next thing is just see if how long the clipper lasts. Can we line up with it?
Ooh.
It's probably the first video of someone lining up with the WezTeck. Seriously. Not bad, not bad.
Jerry said not bad about 15 times already, bro.
Yeah, this is not the same as all the other clippers for sure. No oil, WezTeck. Oh, this is gonna be hella crazy once I do clip over comb. This is gonna put in the guide, put another one, put in one, and clip over comb everything.
Jerry's about to look like Edward Scissorhands over here.
No, yeah, it's worth it. Even at a regular price, I think it is worth it. In the 21 years, I've always thought all clippers that I've used were the same. I barely got to the clipper. I like it a lot.
I like you a lot.
But why does it look so long? It doesn't, but it's not like that much. Like look like tiny bit. You think this is slimmer?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be.
Is it slimmer, huh?
Such and
Sonríe, verga.
Alright, Jerry, so what's the final verdict of the first impression?
9.5. 9.5. Getting too warm. They do need a dock. They definitely need to get a 6 to an 8 guard. In the future, maybe try to make it a little shorter. Nothing they can't, improve on.